Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on INFINIX Hot 40i. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then navigate down to special functions, and here go for actions and gestures. So first option is a quick start, and when you access it you can enable that function. Then below there's a camera and YouTube music by default, and some of the other gestures that you can draw. And basically if you lock your device you can draw one of those motions, and then it should open or perform one of the actions that you assigned for it. So right here on W you can assign to start an app, and in this case we're gonna go with the contacts. Now if we lock our device and draw W, it should launch that app if we unlock our phone. It did. Next is tapping wake. So here when activated you can lock your device, then double tap on lock device to unlock it, and double tap again to lock it down. Next is music gesture. When activated you can again lock your screen and control any multimedia with your gestures. So if you want to play next track, draw the line to the right. If you want to play previous track, draw the line to the left. If you want to stop or play music, draw the pause button. Next is flip to mute. When activated, you can flip your phone screen to the table and it should mute all incoming calls. Next is raise to ear. So if you receive any call, you can raise your phone to your ear and it should automatically answer that call. Then we have lift to wake. When activated, you can again lock your device, pick it up with the grip, and it should unlock without touching any buttons. Then there's answer calls with a gesture. So we can enable this function and then put our two fingers in front of the camera to answer the call, and show entire palm of a hand to decline the call. And the last function is a screenshot. So here you'll be able to take a screenshot if you enable them. And then first option is scroll down 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a normal screenshot. Then next one is hold your 3 fingers onto the screen to take the partial screenshot. That means you can select the amount of the screen you want to take a screenshot for. And the next one is a scroll shot. So you can press the power button and volume down button and hold it for a few seconds until you see the screenshot, and it will capture the entire screen. And the last one is kind of weird, but you need to take a screenshot, and then you can drag it to the bottom of your screen and it will delete that screenshot. And that's all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.